Find the direction cosines of the two lines which are connected by the relations L minus 5m plus 3n is equals to 0 and 7l square plus 5m square minus 3l square is equals to 0. Here, what is given in this? So write the given data first. Okay. So here, given equations are L minus 5m plus 3n is equals to 0. It is equation number 1. Okay. So, and after that, 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. Equation number 2. Now, in this, take the first equation, that is L minus 5m plus 3n is equals to 0. Eliminate any one. Okay. So here there is no coefficient for L. That's why I am finding the value of L again. So L is equals to 5m minus 3n plus 5m minus 3n. Okay. So negative term became positive. Positive term becomes negative. Okay. Take it as equation number 3. This equation 3 I am substituting in equation 2. Okay. So now I am substituting equation 2 in equation 3. So 7 into L square. L is nothing but 5m minus 3n whole square. Okay. So after that 5 into m square, 5m square, that is as it is, minus 3n square as it is equal to 0. Okay. Just we replace L. That's it. Okay. Means L is eliminated. We eliminated the L here. 7 into a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is a square. 5 square m square, that is 25m square, plus b square. 3 square 9n square minus 2ab. 2 5 is 10, 3 is 30, minus 30 mn. Okay. Plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. 7 into 25. How much the value of 7 into 25? 425 is 100. So 7 into 25 is 175. 175 m square. Okay. 7 9s are 63. 63 n square. 7 3s are 21. Okay, so 175 m square, 63, 7 9 is 66, 7 3 is 21, 210, and 5m square as it is minus 3n square as it is equal to 0. Now, 175 m square, any more m square? Yes, 175 plus 5, 180 m square, 180 m square, and mn minus 210 mn, 210 mn. 63 minus 3, that is 60. Okay, 60 n square equal to 0. In all these, anything is possible to take common? Check once. So in all the terms, 10 is common. Okay, and then remaining 18, 21, 6. Okay, can we take 3 common or 2 common? 3 common. So means 30 is common. Okay, if you take 30 common, 3 6 are 18. Okay, 30 into 6 is 180 and m square. Okay, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so 7 mn, 3 32 times, 3 2s are. Okay, 2n square is equals to 0. That means 6m square minus 7mn plus 2n square is equals to 0 by 30 becomes 0. 0 by 30 becomes 0 only. Now, okay, so here we have to find the factors of this equation. We are going to find the factors of this equation. So that means 6 2s are 12. Multiply the first term and last term. Okay, 6 to the 12, 12 m square n square, 12 m square n square. So for this 12, we are going to find the factors by, okay, take the factors of 12, and in that 1 into 12 and 2 into 6 and 3 into 4, like this. Okay, in all these, by adding or subtracting, we want 7. Where we get 7? Okay, the last one. In this last one, we get 7. So take that factor. So we want minus 7 mn. So take minus for both. Minus 3 minus 4 becomes minus 7. So we can write this as 6m square minus 3mn minus 4mn plus 2n square is equals to 0. Okay, take 3m common. If you take 3m common, 3 2s are 1 more m, and 3 1s are 3, and n is remaining. Okay, in this 2n is common. If you take 2n common, remaining 1 more 2 and m, and 2n common means 1 more n minus, okay, n is equals to 0. Already we took minus common, so plus terms become minus. Minus into minus becomes plus when we multiply. Okay, so now in both the terms, 2m minus n is common. So take it common, then remaining is 3m minus 2n is remaining is equals to 0. If the product is 0, either first factor becomes 0 or second factor is 0. So equate now. So that means 2m minus n equal to 0, or 3m minus 2n is equals to 0. That means 2m is equals to plus n. M is equals to n by 2. N by 2. Here also 3m is equals to 2n, and m is equals to 2n by 3. Okay, these are the two m values. These are the two m values. Okay, so now substitute these m values in the equation 3. In equation 3. Okay, so case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and case 2. What is case 1? Okay, so substituting m is equals to n by 2 in equation number 3. Okay, if we substitute in equation 3, then L is equals to 5m minus 3n. Okay, so m we are replacing here. M means n by 2. Okay, minus 3n as is. Okay, take LCM. LCM is 2. Okay, so 5n minus 2 3s are 6n. 5n minus 6n minus n by 2. Minus n by 2. This is L value. This is L value. Okay, so we got L value, M value, and n means n only. Now we are finding the dr. Now finding the dr. dr is equals to dr we represent with ABC usually. Okay, so dr is equals to, otherwise just write dr is equals to L is m is to n. So this is equals to, what is L value? Minus n by 2. What is m value? Plus n by 2. What is n value? N only. In all the terms, what is common? So n is common, so we can cancel. Okay, ratio is nothing but division. Okay, so we can multiply by any number, we can divide by any number. Okay, so here I am multiplying now. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is, okay, so 1. Now multiply all the numbers, okay, by 2. If we multiply all the numbers with the same number, okay, then there is no change in the value. There is no change in the value. Okay, so I multiplied by 2 here. Okay, so now we can cancel the 2 and 2. So I am indirectly I am eliminating this denominator. Okay, so what is my target? Just my target is eliminating the denominator. That's it. Then we get minus 1 is 1 is 1 to the 2. So what are the DRs here? DRs usually we represent with ABC. So I am writing this as A1 comma B1 comma C1. So the DRs are -1 comma +1 comma +2. +1 comma +2. Okay, these are the required DRs. Now we got the DRs for case 1. Now take the case 2. Now taking case 2. Okay, if you take case 2, okay, so substituting m is equals to 2n by 3.
Sir, this is for case 1 only, yeah, sir.
Case 1 only. Okay.
Okay.
Case 1 means from here onwards. From here onwards, again
Yeah.
we have find the case 2. Okay, means m value here and m value. We got 2 m values. That's why we get two cases.
Okay.
If m is equals to 2n by 3, okay, so then substituting m is equals to n by 3 in equation number 3. Okay, if we substitute in equation 3, then L is equals to 5 into m. M means 2n by 3. Okay, minus 3n as it is. Just we replaced m value. LCM is 3, 5 2 is a 10. So 10n minus 3 3 is a 9, minus 9n. So that means L value is, okay, so 10n minus 9n. Okay, that means 1n we get. Okay, n by 3. The value of L is n by 3. Okay, now we find the DRs again. DRs again. Okay, so that means, okay, so DRs is equals to, okay, DRs is equals to L is to M is to N. This is nothing but L value is n by 3. Just now we got, and M means already we know the value, that is 2n by 3, and n means n only. In all the terms, whatever it is common, so you can cancel with that. Means n we can cancel directly. Okay, after that, okay, so whatever we have, okay, so just I am writing here 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 and 1. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1. Two by 3 and 1. Okay, so these numbers I am multiplying with the common number. So we have the fractions, that's why multiplying by 3. Multiplying by 3. Okay, so we have to multiply each and every number. Okay, now here we can cancel the denominator and numerator 3 and 3. So whatever we have the remaining, that is only the required ratio. Okay, that means we are getting 1 is
1
to
is to 2 is to 1.
3. 3. 1 3 is a 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what are the DRs here? Okay, so DR is equals to A2 comma B2 comma C2. Okay, so DRs is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so now in case 1 and case 2, in case 1 and case 2, okay, we are going to find the DCs. We want the DCs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for other questions,
Sir, in equation 3 also you forgot to move, sir.
yes, just a minute. Okay, so
Yeah.
here this is 2n by 3 and equation 3. So here we can use either, okay, so we'll do it in the next page otherwise. Okay, so here what we want the DCs. We want the DCs. Okay,
DC.
so for finding the DCs, what is the formula? Okay, we take the formula and we apply here. Okay, okay, what is the formula for finding the DCs? Okay, for finding the DCs, the formula is A divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C
Square
square,
plus C
and B
square.
divided by under root of
A
A
square plus
square
B
plus B
square
square
plus
plus
C
C
square.
square, and C divided by under root of A
Of
square
A
plus
square
B
plus B
square plus
square plus
C
C
square.
square.
Okay, this is the formula here. Now we are going to find with the case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and
Okay.
case 2. Okay, so in case 1, if we take the case 1, A1 comma B1 comma C1 values. Okay, what are the values of A1, B1, C1? Okay, here A1, B1, C1 value is minus 1 comma
Minus 1
1
and 2.
comma minus 1 comma 1 comma 2.
2.
Okay, so here minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so find the value of this. Okay, A1 square, B1 square, and C1 square value. So that means minus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 square. This is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 square 4. Okay, so this means root 6. Okay, now
Okay.
what is the DCs? If you want to find the DCs of this, okay, DCs A1 by okay minus 1 by root 6. Okay, B value. What is B value or B1 value? 1 by root 6.
Sir,
Okay, C value is 2 by root 6. Yes, tell me, Ashish.
Sir, instead of substituting it separately, we can write A by minus 1 root minus 1 square plus 1 square instead of doing it separately.
Yes, we can do.
Okay.
Okay, so we can do like that or like this. Anyone is okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here the number of little bit the steps are less when we do like this.
Yeah.
Okay, why? Because we'll simplify and we'll substituting directly.
Okay.
Okay, now
Sir,
yes,
sir, DC is always we have to write after we find the whole thing, or for after doing case 1 we have to write the DC of that, and then for case 2 we have to write like
yes,
that.
yes. Here we can do it both ways. Okay, here for all the for angle problem we'll find up to DCs, up to DC DR, then we'll apply the formula. Okay, we'll substitute in the
Okay.
formula. Okay, but in the
Okay.
DCs we can do here separately DCs and here separately DCs of this.
Okay.
Okay, so here you can do it separately in case 1, case 2, or otherwise you can do it in the last. Okay, for this
Okay.
DCs you can do any one, both options. Okay, but
Okay.
for angle problem, okay, we'll complete up to DR, then we'll substitute directly.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Case
what are
1
the
full DCs you have to complete.
yes? Okay, what is DRs here? DRs of second 1, 2, 3.
2 and
Right?
3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
A2,
so here
B2,
A2 comma B2, A2
C2.
comma B2 comma C2.
C2.
1, 2, 3. Okay, so try to
Yes.
simplify the value, find the value. Okay,
1
A2
square
square,
plus
B2
2
square,
square plus
and the
3
C2 square value is under root of
1 square plus 2 square.
1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3
plus
square
4
9.
plus
That
9.
means root 14. Root 14. So that means what is this is okay, very simple. First value by root 14, second value by root 14,
Root
and
14.
third value by root 14, like that. A by B by C by. Okay,
Yes.
very simple. 1 by root 14 and 2 by root 14 and 3 by root 14. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood till here?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any doubts?
I don't have, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me first.
No, sir.